Oh my God. Is the stream on, guys?
Nice tornado.
Nice tornado. I'm getting soaked.
That thing is tall. Picking up a lot of debris too.
Oh my, is the stream on?
Nick said yes.
It's amazing.
Ugh.
Here, hold my camera. Hold on my camera.
What's he doing?
Gorgeous tornado.
Wow.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Got the stream on?
How do I know if it's streaming?
Look on my computer.
Yeah, I mean, I have it on this thing.
It's on.
Okay.
Wow.
Gorgeous. Wow.
Alright, can I get ambient noise for like 30 seconds?
Whoa.
Are we going to be able to get closer to this again?
This is going to be the best view for a long time. I mean, this lake is perfect.
Zoom out.
Can I have my picture? Or someone?
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah, it'd be awful nice if somebody could set my tripod up. Huh.
I can't shoot any video.
Why not?
The other camera's dead.
Well, it's definitely roping up. It's like a long elephant trunk.
Yep.
God, that is a gorgeous roof outstage.
Oh.
Photogenic. I don't think you can ask for a better looking trail than that.
Yeah, I know. Keep going and going.
Wow, that thing is. Oh.
How cool.
Good background too.
The contrast is great.
Mm-hmm.
Could be better, but I mean, it's beautiful. Everything's beautiful.
Will you get one with me too?
Come here, bud.
Yeah.
Back up.
You can move, you can do that.
Over here. You guys know the room camera?
Hurry up.
Okay. They did right and I'll bring you guys back to sure.
Cool.
Got it?
Yeah.
Did it turn out good?
That's alright.
Wow, it's really sweating out now.
Yeah. There she goes.
Wow.
How
Actually,
cool.
we need to get closer to the thing.
Okay.
That's it.